So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we will learn about aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So in short, stay to the end of this video as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you will have a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge.
So just like we know, there are two types of respiration: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is respiration using oxygen, and it's the most efficient way to transfer energy from glucose. It goes on all the time in plants and animals, and most of the reaction in aerobic respiration happens in the mitochondria. So let's go ahead and consider the equation for aerobic respiration. So here's the equation of the aerobic respiration in word and in symbol. So we see that glucose plus oxygen here will yield carbon dioxide and water in an aerobic respiration. But guys, what happens when there is no oxygen to carry out this process? For instance, when you're doing a vigorous exercise and your body cannot get enough oxygen to your muscle can actually carry out anaerobic respiration when this happens. So we need to understand that both aerobic and anaerobic respiration can occur in the muscles depending on the oxygen supply. So anaerobic just simply means without oxygen. Anaerobic respiration is actually an incomplete breakdown of glucose yielding lactic acid. Well, anaerobic respiration does not transfer as much energy as aerobic respiration. This is because glucose is not fully oxidized in anaerobic respiration. So anaerobic respiration is only useful during emergencies. For instance, during exercise when it allows you to make use of your muscles a little longer. It might also interest you to know that anaerobic respiration in plants and yeasts is slightly different from the one we just discussed. Plants and yeasts can respire without oxygen too anaerobically, but then they produce ethanol, which is an alcohol, and carbon dioxide instead of lactic acid. Anaerobic respiration in yeast is called fermentation. So fermentation by yeast is of great value in food and drink industries because it is used to make bread and alcoholic drinks. In bread making, it is the carbon dioxide from fermentation that makes the bread to rise. Whereas in beer and wine making, it is the fermentation process that produces the alcohol. Alright guys, so here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.